To use voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we're gonna check if a voice typing or voice input is enabled in keyboard settings. So we're gonna open settings on our phone. Next, we want to scroll down and go to general management. Over here in the general management, we should be able to go to Samsung keyboard settings. And then here we need to scroll down again and we are looking for the voice input option. Now in here we need to make sure that either Samsung Voice Input or Google Voice Typing is selected. In my case, I'm gonna stick with Samsung Voice Input. Now, once we are sure that voice input is enabled, we should be able to open our keyboard. And then in here, we need to find the microphone, which is usually located over here in the bottom left corner. So once we tap on the microphone, we should be able to grant the necessary permission for the keyboard to record audio. This is of course for the first time only. And we need to also agree to the privacy notice. And now, whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. There we go. Of course, once you are done, you might need to tap on the microphone to deactivate it so the phone doesn't keep entering or converting actually your speech into a text. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.